And we will continue with our so-called travel channel, international oil shale developments. And this time, when during the last panel we visited Israel and China and USA, then in this panel we are visiting even more countries. Egypt, Syria, Jordan, Morocco, Turkey, Sweden. So we have quite a lot of countries what we will discuss during this panel. And of course we will go into more details in Jordan and also in Sweden. We speak more detailed about the Swedish alumni oil shale. And as you can see, my co-moderator is missing, but this has a reason. He has currently a speech in the other room, but he should join me quite soon, so hopefully in 5 or 10 minutes or so. We have 3 speakers, and we will start with Mr. Ammar Al Taher.
Thank you.
Who has more than 20 years experience working with local, regional and international projects in the energy field. He is a certified trainer and consultant by international bodies as International Finance Corporation of World Bank and also International Labour Organization. As well as he is a member of many national and regional and international associations, so a huge experience in that sense. He has published several studies, technical papers in referred journals and conferences, and Mr. Taher has a bachelor degree of mechanical engineering from the University of Arkansas in the USA from 1983, and he has an MBA degree from the University of Jordan as well. So please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. The Euro-Mediterranean Energy Market Integration Project, what we call MED-EMIP, it's a small EC-funded project intended to the Mediterranean partner countries. You know, this is the south and east shores of the Mediterranean Sea, from Morocco to Turkey, and we are stationed in a small office, in regional office in Cairo, as we are hosted by the Egyptian government. MED-EMIP mandate is to be a catalyst of the reinforcement of the EU Mediterranean partner country energy cooperation, particular emphasis on energy security, and this is how we got involved in the oil shale business. It's about energy security and sustainability through enhanced dialogue and information exchange among the different stakeholders. MED-EMIP is involved with all kinds of energy efficiency and energy modesty, hydropower, biomass, solar and wind, nuclear power, gas and oil, and coal and oil shale. So we are somehow involved across the whole rainbow of energy resources. And the way we operate is on demand. So we get a demand from the beneficiary countries, and we try to see how we can accommodate this with the other interested partners in a regional context. Currently, we are working on the Mediterranean Ring update. It's a study that was done during the early 2000, and now there is an update for this study. We are collaborating with many regional institutions, international institutions, such as the Arab Union for the Electricity, Regional Center for Renewable Energy and Energy Efficiency. This is a newly established center in Cairo, funded by the German government and the Egyptian government. MED-ENEC is another EC-funded project working in the energy efficiency in the construction sector. Eurostat, MedStat, the Euro-Arab Mashriq Gas Cooperation Council, besides, working closely with the beneficiary countries in terms of ministries and agencies and so on. So far, we are involved in Solar for Peace initiative. This is a European initiative for the between Israel and the Palestinian territories. We are also involved with the end use of energy efficiency and Mediterranean solar plan. We are working with the power sector in the region. We are working with the National Energy Agency in developing what we call a budget allocation efficiency chart. With the oil ministries, we are involved with the cleaner development of oil shale, and I would like, later on to give you a bit more information about this program. Also, we are involved with the electricity ministries and regulators on power purchase agreements, land use agreements, developing CDM methodologies for CSP and so on. So this is the scope of our activities based on demand, and we try to organize such activities into programs so it will have more impact, and we try also to do it in a way to create some sustainability after the project ends. So this is summarized into 5 pillars that we work on. The first one is demand-side management action plan among the 10 partner countries, CSP and PV action plan, Mediterranean solar plan, preparation of the budget allocation efficiency chart. So each one of those are a program, and the fifth pillar is the oil shale action plan. The cleaner development of oil shale program is we try to help to support environmentally friendly and efficient utilization of oil shale in the Mediterranean partner countries. This is about energy security. This is about using local resources. This is about sustainability. And we have noticed, for example, in many of the countries in the south, the lack of environmental regulations for the oil shale utilization is one of the barriers preventing such development. Because if you don't have standards and regulations, any developers will be really facing a lot of problems within the such ventures. The participating countries in the oil shale program are Egypt, Jordan, Morocco, Syria, and Turkey. These 5 countries, they have commercial resources of oil shale. In Morocco, they had a retorter running during the 1942. They did a lot of work on oil shale, but somehow it was abandoned due to the drop in the oil prices during the 80s.